day. Hey guys, this is Drew. I really appreciate you taking a few minutes to watch the video about our pilot project that we're trying to put together. Most of the fishing shows that are on TV right now, they follow the same sort of a recipe. You've got basically a 30-minute infomercial that has product in your face all the time. This is what I use. This is the rod. This is the line. This is the reel. It's just constantly a product. Then you've got the kitchen segment, in the kitchen, the recipes, that sort of a thing. That's kind of old school. What we're trying to do is put together something that is a little more adventuresome, something a little more seat of your pants. It's got some really great angling involved with some dynamic personality. We're going to be utilizing the hero cams everybody's familiar with now, really great angles and things that your typical fishing program doesn't have. We're also going to be utilizing the drone cams, and then we've got a fantastic videography company that's involved with this project that I think is really going to bring a dynamic to it that's going to be fantastic. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. At the end of the video, I'm going to have my contact information, so feel free to email me with any questions that you've got. All right? Thank you.